And this week is Severe Weather Awareness Week. Today we're going to highlight thunderstorm safety with Jeffrey Evans, meteorologist in charge from the Houston and Galveston National Weather Service office. So I've managed to squeeze one more meteorologist into the building here at CW39. So Jeff, compared to other parts of the country, is thunderstorm activity a little bit more common along the Texas coastline?
Absolutely. So we get a lot of thunderstorms down here along the coast, especially with the sea breeze and the Gulf breeze coming in. Fortunately, we don't get a lot of severe weather, but it does happen. And this is a week we like to talk about some of the things that come with the thunderstorms that we can get around here.
So what qualifies a thunderstorm as being severe compared to just a regular old thunderstorm?
Well, for us, we actually have definitions for severe. So a severe thunderstorm, to get a warning from our office, would have like 1-inch hail or wind gusts to 58 miles an hour, or a tornado, which would be a tornado warning, but still that's still severe weather. But there are other hazards that come with thunderstorms that are beyond severe thunderstorms, lightning being one of them.
And what are some ways that someone can prepare for a severe thunderstorm if they receive that warning from home?
I think what we like to do, encourage people, is to have a plan. So think ahead. If a severe thunderstorm is coming towards you, or if you're outside, you start hearing thunder in the sky. Where there's thunder, there's lightning. You know, have a plan, know where you're going to go, and take action.
Now, lightning, like you mentioned, is another major hazard in thunderstorms as well. So, Jeff, do you want to play a little game of Mythbusters now with me? Okay, if it's not raining where you are, you're safe from lightning. Fact or myth? Total
myth. Absolutely. So just because it's not raining, that doesn't mean you're not going to get lightning. So if you hear thunder and lightning are together, so you already have lightning activity in that cloud.
And I think a lot of folks back home know the answer to this one, but it was thought back in the day, lightning never strikes the same place twice. Fact or myth?
That's another myth.
Another myth, you got it. So you mentioned that tornadoes are another element that are sometimes involved with severe thunderstorms. What can people expect to hear tomorrow around 10 a.m.?
Well, we're going to actually have a test tornado warning, so people can sample how they receive warnings and think about what they would do in case they got a warning. You know, unlike hurricanes where you have days to look at them, as we saw in January, tornadoes come very quickly. There's not a lot of time to act, and so you really, when the warning comes out, you have to know what you're going to do and how to act. And that's really important for decision makers, people that oversee other people's safety, be it schools or hospitals. So we work with those decision makers, and that's part of the reason why we do what we do tomorrow.
And I love how we're highlighting this week to keep in mind all of these severe weather threats that impact us in the state of Texas, but as we've seen over the past couple of years, they can happen any time of the year, whether that be severe weather, whether it be winter weather, tornadoes, nonetheless. But thank you so much for coming onto the show today and helping us explain, break down severe thunderstorms, and big thanks to you and all the hardworking men and women back at the National Weather Service.
Oh, well, thanks for having me.
All right, well, let's go ahead and send it out live through our Sky Tracker network this morning at the Marina camera. Oh, Emerald camera. There we go. It's a little cloudy out there. You're watching CW39 Houston. No wait, weather and traffic.